months out, nothing to show. The crew's morale at an all-time low. Looking good in a two-board repairs. The captain went ashore for news while we mended sails with the other crews and talked about our sad state of affairs. The captain, he came bounding back, said, boys, there's no time to unpack, 'cause we're about to join a pirate fleet. This news should have been met with cheers, but the crew was plagued with doubt and fears. So our captain said without missing a beat, don't avoid it, don't fear it, embrace your pirate spirit. We sail with Captain Morgan tonight for adventure and glory and an unforgettable story. We sail with Captain Morgan tonight. For Maracaibo we'll set sail, and there is no way we can fail. We'll have us a navy of our own, like Portobello long before. We will sneak ourselves ashore, and we'll be rich before we come back home. This got some cheers, but not a lot. They knew the Cartagena plot, and all the pirates there that met their end. Yes, he says there's risk involved, but every problem can be solved, and we'll end up with more cash than we can spend. Don't avoid it, don't fear it, embrace your pirate spirit. We sail with Captain Morgan tonight for adventure and glory and an unforgettable story. We sail with Captain Morgan tonight. At last the crew, they all agreed, as fear cannot win over greed, and we got our ship all ready and primed. We set the sails and sharpened swords, we pulled the anchor and wound the cords. There was no way that we would lose this time. With that the whole crew was met, pledges made.
His name was Teach when he came to Carolina. Like a man possessed he scoured the sea,
and the devil called him son.
Blackbeard Teach, the demon of the sea. Run, you sailors, run, with a beard of flame and a heart of ice. Blackbeard the devil's son. He shot his first mate in the hold one day. He said, I don't give a damn if I don't kill someone now and then. You'll forget who I am. He married a girl of 15 years named Liza. From across the town they heard her scream
as he took her maidenhead.
Blackbeard Teach, the demon of the sea. Run, you sailors, run, with a beard of flame and a heart of ice. Blackbeard the devil's son. Governor Spotswood cried, oh, in the world of Blackbeard, 100 pounds will buy his head, and hell can have his soul. From Portsmouth town there sailed a man named Maynard. He did not come to save their lives,
He came for bounty money.
Blackbeard Teach, the demon of the sea. Run, you sailors, run, with a beard of flame and a heart of ice. Blackbeard the devil's son. Teach met his fate off the shores of Carolina. A challenge rang across the waves, you'll dance with death today. Sabers bit and bullets flew as the ships drew side by side. Blackbeard screamed like a cannon's roar, it's a damn good day to die. Blackbeard Teach, the demon of the sea. Run, you sailors, run, with a beard of flame and a heart of ice. Blackbeard the devil's son. An axe, a sword, a bullet's burn, Blackbeard stood them all. He spat at his killers through broken teeth. You'll never take me alive! Now Teach is gone, the seas are safe today, but down in hell the devil's laughing, 'cause Blackbeard's home to stay. Blackbeard Teach, the demon of the sea. Run, you sailors, run, with a beard of flame and a heart of ice.